Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I just got home from spending the day at my mom and dad's. This is actually Memorial Day weekend. Tomorrow's Memorial Day. But anyway, so I was looking at the video clips that I did today and I realized I hadn't recorded that much. But then I remembered that the other day I actually recorded a day in the life when I spent the day at my mom and dad's the other day. So I was like, I'm gonna piece these all together and make just one big vlog. So you're gonna be seeing 2 days at my mom and dad's all pieced together making one video. So I hope that's okay with y'all. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope y'all have a happy Memorial Day. I'll see you next time. Bye. I decided to vlog today. It's really windy outside, so my hair is a mess. I feel so weird right now. I'm so used to doing everything with Alan and not having my own vehicle, but now that I'm in Texas, life is so different because Alan's gone. I have the truck, and I actually have family here. Like, I'm gonna go drive to my mom's. That is so unheard of. Living in Virginia, I had nowhere to go and no vehicle. So this is like, wow, different life. But anyways, so I just got in the truck. It's 88 degrees outside. My friend messaged me yesterday. She said, you're lying. You didn't move to Texas because you're wearing a jacket or a hoodie or whatever. I'm like, girl, I am in Texas, trust. But even though it's 80 something degrees outside, it was freezing in my apartment. I'm always cold no matter what. I love being warm, so I love the heat mixed with this. Now, if it was like 100 and something degrees, that might be a different story, but it's only 80 something, 88 actually. And I'm going over to my mom's and they keep it freezing in their house, so I'm gonna be cold. Anyway, so I'm fixing to start driving, so I'm gonna cut the camera off. I have my seatbelt on, safety first. Gotta put my GPS on because I'm not used to where my parents live now. They moved from where we used to live, so yeah, I gotta figure this out. Anyways, I'll check in a little bit. So I'm stopped at a red light right now. I'm not really a fan of driving and filming anymore. I actually used to be. I actually used to do really stupid stuff, but not anymore. Anyways, I've decided I think I'm gonna stop at the grocery store, H-E-B, of course, none other. Well, I love Walmart too, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna stop at the grocery store. I might pick up some stuff and cook for mom and dad. Isn't that so sweet of me? So I just got to the H-E-B. I'm walking in now. Gonna see what I can buy. Back at H-E-B again, got to mom's, put the groceries away, and then she decided she wanted to go to H-E-B, so I'm with my mom going to H-E-B. Why? Yep. Funny, ain't it? See, he lives in theirs.
They're all gonna come out.
That'd be interesting to watch. Wow, ain't that something? The third one, man, go over. Not that one. Yeah, it's that one. Not that one.
I don't think it's gonna fit in there.
Mom, it took so much time though.
Going in that one.
Woo! You made it, buddy. You did it. And imagine he dragged it all the way from... How long you been watching it go,
I'm
Alan?
gonna spray it.
Alan and Mom and Dad's backyard. Enjoying this Texas heat. Feels good outside, huh? Yeah. Wait, why do they have an umbrella under this? It's already covered. My mom and dad's patio furniture. Got welcome mat though. Welcome to Texas. What is it? What is it?
Filming me?
I'm making a vlog.
I better look good.
It's my brother. Now I'm in my dad's office, checking out his accomplishments over here, and his instruments and whatnot. His guitars, violin. Sounds like a toy stuck in there. If you want to go visit the family, they're all playing on their devices. So now we are leaving my mom and dad's. Once again, I forgot I was vlogging. I do that all the time. I can't even talk. Alan's with me, driving me home now. Driving me crazy. I almost forgot we were vlogging again. So we're in Walmart. I'm getting some rubber bands for my hair. Getting another one of those super soft tank tops in navy blue. I'm picking up some bananas. Dove soap, my favorite. And I'm getting a hummingbird feeder. And some hummingbird juice. I love seeing the hummingbirds. My mom has hummingbird feeders, so I wanted a hummingbird feeder. And Alan's checking out the toilet paper selection. Everybody needs toilet paper, right?
No, I'm mad at you.
No, I don't remember.
So mad.
You're mad at me? Why are you always mad at me? I'm the bestest wifey in the world.
You being bad, so.
You're such a liar. We got Alan out here. We got some shrimps going. We got some steaks going out on the grill. Looking good. Oh, we got the little water fountain going. How cute. Dad's steak. Why don't you want to be in my vlog? You don't like it?
Am I gonna get paid?
Yeah. Little Duncan. Hi, Duncan. Hi. I made a big salad, but it looks ugly. But yeah, there it is. Ah, let me tell you, it is hot out here. I look like a monster. What are these eyebrows and this white hair? Woo! Don't even look at me, girl. Swimming pool. Thinking about jumping in. Oh yeah, my shrimp look good. Now y'all know what to do to keep him quiet. Duncan, learn the violin. You and Taylor.
Oh, he likes it.
Okay, let's see. You're gonna sneeze. Bless you. Wait, and I look at you and maybe the makeup's all like running down. Okay, this is too much. So, I wanted to show, I just finished doing Adia's hair and makeup and she looks so cute. So I can get, ooh, yes, girl. She got some curls going on.
Where are you posting?
My YouTube channel. You don't want to be on my YouTube channel?
No, it's fun. Is that like nice?
Yeah, girl, you look gorgeous.